यस चाबी लाओ अपना।
Good morning, ma'am.
मॉर्निंग क्लास।
Good morning, ma'am.
How is everybody doing? Good morning. Pranjali, beta, I did not get your PDF. If you could send it again.
For of my exam, UT.
UT1, yes, UT1.
I didn't have the UTs.
You didn't give the UT? That's fine. I've actually, maybe it's slipped out of my mind. Fine. You have not given your UTs. What about anybody else in the class who has not given? If you know about that, those people or those children, if you know about them. What about Altama
No, ma'am.
Shuddin? Altama Shuddin, has he given his exams?
Yes, ma'am. He has given, ma'am, because ma'am, I saw his marks in ma'am GK.
Okay. You saw his marks in GK.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when sir saw the ma'am external one,
Sorry.
then I saw ma'am he was.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. What about, good morning, Tanishka. What about Rajneesh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Beta. Has Rajneesh given his exams?
Don't know, ma'am.
Is any boy named Rajneesh there in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is fine. Okay. Anvi is there. Altamushuddin has not given his exam. Pranjali was absent, so she has not given. What about this boy, Uday Saxena? Is he there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how did you do your paper? Was it easy? Was it difficult? Was it average?
Ma'am, easy.
It was easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
But I believe those who were not attending the classes, for them it was quite tough because they could not give answers of general questions that were asked between the chapter.
Ma'am, I read the full chapter.
This is what I told you, that you have to read the whole chapter. Anything can come from, anywhere from the chapter. It is not that you need to confine to the, what do you call, these question answers which are given at the back. Right now you're in class 8, you'll be coming to class 9th next year. Class 9th, things are so different, the pattern is so different. Shikhar, do we have you in the class? Shikhar, Anvi,
Yes, ma'am.
do we have Shikhar in the class? Anvi is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just asking if you could open your cameras, children.
Yes, ma'am. Opening in a minute.
Anji. How did Prasanna do his exam? Good? Satisfactory?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everything you did?
Please tell her marks. Excuse me.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Beta marks, I don't feel like telling because, but I can tell that how you people have performed. Some have really done very well. Some have done average work, and some have not even, the easiest of the thing that was there, the flow chart part. Many of you have not drawn it. It was such a simple thing that you were supposed to do, but nobody has, like many of you have not drawn it. I don't know what is the reason for that, but it was really very disappointing. Though in the revisions, whatever was given, I think similar to that was done in the revisions also, isn't it? Was it not done in the revisions?
Yes.
Tell Tanishka, you have been attending the classes regularly, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Was the paper difficult?
No, ma'am.
It was not. I don't know. Means some have really done very well, but then only one person could score. Like my part, like 1, 2, 3 or 4 students are there. Those who have scored, 14 out of 14. Geography was 14 marks, and only 4 students could score 14 out of 14. I thought that paper is quite easy. Anvi, are you connecting with another device? Anvi, are you connecting with another device? Anvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Just switch on the camera, bacha. As I said, no, please switch on your cameras. I have muted everyone. Okay, wait. I don't know.
No,
No, ma'am.
no,
I
ma'am.
can.
I have not muted. See, Akshat can listen to what I am saying and I can listen to him what he's saying. And we put the camera
Yes,
little down. Put the camera little down.
Ma'am, someone entered in the meeting.
Ji beta.
Ma'am, someone entered in the meeting. Ma'am,
Yes.
named yes.
Yes, tab.
Beta,
Asset.
it is me. I have connected with one more device so that I can share the screen. Okay. All are coming one by one. Let them come. Beta, tell me one thing. Would you like to discuss the paper? अनवी बेटा थोड़ा सा कैमरा ऊपर करो मैं आपको देख सकूं.
Ma'am, please tell the marks.
बेटा मार्क्स मत पूछो बच्चे. इट विल बी वेरी ऑफेंसिव. जूम के प्लेटफॉर्म पे यूट्यूब पे जब डालेंगे कितने लोग देखते हैं. अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना. है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ हम आपको पर्सनल चैट में लिख दे रहे हैं. ठीक है. बट गिव मी टाइम. नॉट एग्जैक्टली नाउ. फाइन.
Okay.
हाँ चलिए. ये स्टेप लाइक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I would like to tell you one thing through this, that how you are supposed to draw a flow chart. I think many of you are not aware of the pattern, no, of the way flow chart is drawn. Were you aware?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Ma'am, I know how to do.
Ma'am, I also know.
Those-
Ma'am, you
those
have done in the revision test.
See, those who have been taking the classes, they would not have faced any problem, but those who did not, they must have faced. Right? Okay. See, first of all, why question paper is needed to be discussed so that you know that what answers you have written, they are correct or not, how much you have scored on the basis of the answers that you have given. So the first question was, see, the first question was define the following, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It was
Yes,
of 3
ma'am.
marks. It was of 3 marks, right? It was of 3 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Resource, productivity, conservation of resources. These 3 terms you were supposed to define. I hope you people have defined it the way it was understood by you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, someone has entered the meeting. Let me take. Okay. Now the second question was of the flow chart, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It was for 4 marks. How the marks were categorized? See, 1 mark for the neatness plus 3 marks for the written part that was there in the flowchart. Now, many of you, I don't know about others. I don't know about, the others, like I know about everybody, but what I could make out is you people did not understand that what I have asked. See the flowchart that we did in the class, it comprised of everything that was there in the chapter, right? Right?
Ma'am, human and human made natural.
But I asked you that natural resources classified on the basis of distribution, right? Then the second basis of was renewability, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
And the third was stage of development, right?
Reject.
And then on the basis of distribution, renewability, development. You were supposed to draw your flow chart like this. But what everyone has done, everybody has written about human resource, man-made resource, along with the natural resources. You were supposed to do it only this way, right?
Ma'am, we have basis of origin on the basis of origin.
That was not asked. Was that asked? It was not asked, no. Something in the flow chart, when you have done a full-fledged flow chart and something is being asked, a part of it, then you are supposed to do it this way. You are not supposed to write everything that is there. Uzair, am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Dhruv has entered. Let me take him in. Right? And then on the basis of development, actual and potential. I hope you people have done it this way only, the way I have drawn. No. Some students have written about the origin wala thing also. They have written about biotic and abiotic also, but it was not asked, right? So why I am doing it, why I am discussing it with you, so that in future when you get flowchart, to make flowchart and you have done many parts in it, then you are supposed to confine your work only to that part where you are asked about it, right? Right, class? I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next question was, give one word for the statement. Right? This
Yes, ma'am.
was the third question. One word for the statement. Right?
Yes.
The statements, whatever the statements were, the one word thing that was you were supposed to write for it was, for the first one, it was conservation of resources. And the second one that we had was, can anybody tell in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. Natik, what was that?
Ma'am, human resources.
Very good. It was human resources. But I could see that many of the students have, eaten this resource wala part, and human resources ki jagah pe they had written actual resources.
Ma'am,
Many
I have
of
written
it
actually.
means I am not quoting anybody's name. I am just telling you that, about 60% of the students have not specified human resources. They have written actual resources, biotic resources, this resource, that resource, but they have not written about human resources, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the fourth question was fill-ups, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have Uzair telling the answer of the first fill-up? Deposits
Ma'am,
of
may
the... Okay, Prasun, batao beta.
Petroleum and deposits.
Yes, it was the petroleum deposits.
Ma'am, but I have written only petroleum.
हाँ तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Deposits तो ऑलरेडी बुक में स्टेटमेंट में लिखा हुआ था बेटा. Answer was petroleum.
Ma'am, may I tell the second one?
Yes.
Ma'am, the second one is ubiquitous resources.
Ubiquitous. Very good. UBIQUITOUS. Ubiquitous resources. Then third
Ma'am, may I
one.
tell third one?
Yes, beta. Tell Aradhya.
Renewable. Ma'am, renewable.
Yes, it is renewable. Very good. And the fourth one was
Biotic resources.
biotic.
Biotic.
Very good. Very good. These four were the correct answers, but many students, they have, in place of petroleum, they have simply written oil. Now tell me, had you been at my place, you would have given marks for this oil? See, when we simply say oil, we don't know which oil we are talking about. Are we talking about the crude oil, the refined oil, the mustard oil? Which oil we are talking about here? We need to specify that petroleum, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yes,
place of
ma'am.
ubiquitous, many of the students, many of the students, in place of ubiquitous, they have written inexhaustible, non-renewable. They mean whichever, whatever came to their minds, they have written that. So do I need to give marks for this also if they have not written this ubiquitous word?
No, ma'am.
Exactly. So I have not given. Only the third and the fourth one, many of the students could write correctly. Because these two were very simple statements. Otherwise, ubiquitous and petroleum I had given from the chapter. Second page of the chapter, and this ubiquitous was on the third page of the chapter, right? So this shows that many of the students have not read the chapter thoroughly. Then you had a 3 marks question where you were supposed to write about sustainable development, I believe.
Yes, ma'am. May I tell?
Yes, Peter. Akshat.
Ma'am, sustainable development means development that takes place without damaging the environment and which meets the needs of the present as well as preserves for the future generations. The future of the earth depends on fertility only.
Very good. And next, second question was differentiate between two were given, no, biotic and abiotic. And
Ma'am, this is the full answer.
I know there was second part of this question also. I don't remember the question exactly right now. That is why I did not say anything to him. What was the second part? Can you tell?
Yes, ma'am. Write the points how we can conserve the our sustainable resources.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, it's
Yes.
written
May
our
I
renewable
tell?
written-
Ma'am, may I tell?
May I tell?
Yes, Anna.
May I
Okay,
Anna,
ma'am.
Anna.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm telling from my starting. Ma'am, sustainable development means development that takes place without damaging the environment and which meets the need of the present as well as preserve the resources for future generation. The future generation of Earth, therefore, depends on judicially we use our natural resources so that the present rate of development is maintained as well as the environment is preserved. These points will save our sustainable resources. My first point: use all renewable resources in sustainable order, minimize the depletion of natural resources, conserve the varied species of natural organisms, enable communities to care for their own environment, do not cause any harm to the natural resources.
Yes. This was the complete answer. Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, Anna.
ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have written till ma'am future generations. Then ma'am, I have written the points. Ma'am, 3 points I have written. Ma'am, is it correct?
3 points are sufficient.
And ma'am, but ma'am, I have not written ma'am that we have to maintain in future, ma'am, judicially,
fine.
ma'am.
See, everyone has written as per what they could write for the answer, what they have understood, right? Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So this was about the question paper. I hope in future you people will remember these mistakes that you people have done and try to improve upon them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, very good. Do we have Riya Tiwari and Kripansh Yadav in the class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, Kripansh Yadav is there.
Kripansh is there?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, Lee also gives exam.
Attendance they have given, but they have not joined the class, bhai. Shikhar is there in the class? Can you see Shikhar in the class, beta?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Was in earlier. Ma'am, at the starting of the class he was, but then he leave.
Goranch, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. How did you do your paper?
Ma'am, fine.
Ma'am, only one mistake is there in mine.
Okay, what is that?
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, that petroleum I have written oil, and ma'am, in second is flowchart.
Very good. See, we should learn from our mistakes. You know, we should not crib on marks. Marks are not important. What you are learning and how you are implementing your learning, that is more important than anything else, right?
Ma'am, I also did the ma'am same mistake, but ma'am I have write petroleum. I have done mistake in ma'am flowchart.
Acha. No problems.
Ma'am, I think that we have to make that human natural and human made.
No. I would have specified everything. If I wanted everything, I would have specified that. Right?
Ma'am, but in ma'am question paper, ma'am, it was written that ma'am like that. Ma'am, make a flow chart on the basis of resources.
Showing the distribution of resources on the basis of.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, at this only I get confused that we have to show the resource
Ma'am,
chart.
it was not specified that ma'am we have to make natural only or
Yes,
human made or.
ma'am.
Chalo. So now you know now what you have to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Now let us start with the new chapter. I think we started with the new chapter of geography, chapter 5 or chapter 4. Class?
Chapter 5 to be chapter 4 is natural vegetation and wildlife.
That we have completed.
Yes, ma'am, we have to start from chapter 5.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you send the ma'am question answers of chapter 4?
You have not done them?
Yes, ma'am, because I was not ma'am present because ma'am at that time I was not well, that's why.
I think Tanishka has completed her work. So Tanishka, I think in the D group the work is already shared, beta.
No, ma'am, it is not shared. Ma'am, I have seen.
Okay, fine. We'll do that. Right? Right, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
This chapter 5 tells us what? Do you have the books with you, class?
Yes, ma'am.
See, chapter 5 is about the mineral and power resources. Right?
And may I read?
Okay, you want to read?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what about the explanation? Chalo, पढ़ लेते हैं, फिर explanation tomorrow in the class we will do, okay? Chalo,
Okay, ma'am.
read, Prasu.
Minerals from a
Yes, Tanishka?
I am coming in just 2 minutes when my mother is calling.
Okay. Continue, Prasu.
Minerals form a vital part of our day-to-day life. You will hardly find anything around you that does not contain any mineral in it. From the salt that you add in your food to the pen you write with, the cream that you apply on your face, and the car you ride in. Everything is made up of minerals. Right? Resources. Minerals are homogeneous, naturally occurring substances found in the Earth's crust. They contain a single or a combination of elements. They have definite chemical compositions and physical properties. Minerals are constituent of rocks. All rocks are composed of one or more minerals. In some rocks, large quantities of particular minerals are present. Such rocks are called ores. Type of minerals. Minerals have a wide range of colors, hardness, texture, and luster. They are identified on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. Minerals can be organic in origin or inorganic in origin. Organic minerals like coal and petroleum are also called mineral fuel or fossil fuels. Inorganic minerals are classified into two groups, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals are those that contain metals such as iron, copper, aluminium, gold, and silver. They are found as ores in igneous and metamorphic rocks. These minerals are hard and have luster and are generally good conductors of heat and electricity. They are further classified into two types, ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous metals contain iron, for example, manganese and chromite. Non-ferrous metals do not contain iron, for example, copper and gold.
Okay. Can we have Anav reading now?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, no, non-metallic minerals are those that do not contain metals. They include limestone, sulfur, potash, nitrate, mica, and gypsum. They are found in
Anav, it
sedimentary
is
rocks.
gypsum. Anav, it is gypsum. What is
Gypsum.
it? Gypsum,
They
yes.
are gypsum. They are found in sedimentary rocks. These minerals are soft, do not have luster, and generally bad conductors of heat and electricity. Mining. The extraction of minerals resources from the earth is called mining. The method of mining depends upon the depth at which the minerals is located. These are some of the common methods of mining. Quarrying. This method is practiced when minerals are located very close to the surface. Open pit miners. Open pit mining. This method is practiced when minerals are located at a shallow depth under the surface. They can be reached by just removing the surface layer. Distribution of
No,
mineral
no.
resources.
Shaft mining, beta. Anav.
Okay, ma'am. uh, uh, Distribution of mineral resources. Let us know.
नहीं बेटा,
Let us now.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अभी नहीं पढ़ना है, पहले शेफ्ट माइनिंग पढ़ेंगे ऑन द राइट साइड.
Shaft mining. This method is practiced when the minerals are located depth under the surface.
Deep
They
under
can
the
be reached
deep, beta, deep under the.
deep under the surface. They can be reached by digging deep holes called shafts. Drilling. This method is practiced for the extraction of mineral oil from under the surface. It is done by digging deep wells called oil wells. Distribution of mineral resources. Let us
Wait, Anav,
now.
wait now. Okay. So, what we have read today? We have read about
Minerals.
minerals. Now, when we say mineral resources, we are actually talking about homogeneous, naturally occurring substances which are found in the Earth's crust. On the Earth's crust, beneath it, there are several minerals that are found naturally in a homogeneous conditions, right? They are what do you call? They are found in a rough this thing, and then after procedures that are to be when the minerals are to be extracted, when they are for usage, they are extracted from the surface of the earth, and then they are refined. They go for the refinement, and then they are used for various purposes, right? I hope I am clear,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now these minerals that we have, they contain, you know, either they are single elements or they contain combination of elements with them. Now what is meant by this combination of elements? That they have definite chemical compositions and physical properties. What is this definite chemical composition? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Must have done in sciences, no?
No, ma'am.
Anybody in the class who could tell what is the chemical
Ma'am,
composition?
please repeat the word.
My word is chemical composition.
Ma'am,
Chem-
chemical.
chemical
Ma'am, can I
composition.
try?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, chemical composition is mixing of chemicals.
It is mixing of
Chemicals or ma'am,
Chemicals.
mixed chemicals.
mixed chemicals. Can you give example? Any such example can you give?
Ma'am, sulfur plus water. Ma'am, it's
Sulfur plus water.
water and potassium
Okay.
plus water.
Very good. Very good. हाँ जी. See, chemical composition का मतलब होता है कि they do not exist single. There are one or two chemicals which are mixed in these mineral that are found. और उनकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज होती है. जैसे अगर हम कॉपर की बात करते हैं, कॉपर इज अ मिनरल, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
And copper, what are the properties that copper has? Copper is considered to be the good conductor of heat, right?
Yes, and of electricity also.
Yes, it is considered good conductor of electricity, right? It is used in various electrical appliances, right?
Ma'am, wires.
Wires.
Exactly, right? I hope now you have understood this physical property wala thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see these minerals that we have. If you remember in class 7th, you read about various types of rocks: igneous rocks, metamorphic
Yes.
rocks, and sedimentary rocks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Igneous rocks.
Yes. Now these minerals that we have, they are found in various rocks. Some minerals are concentrated in the metamorphic rocks. Some are concentrated in the igneous rocks. Some minerals we find in the sedimentary rocks. Like if I ask you, where do you get minerals? Where do you get petroleum from? So petroleum कौन से rock में मिलता है हमको? Do you know this?
Sedimentary.
Sedimentary. Very good. Because the sedimentary rocks are the rocks that are formed in layers, and the sedimentary rocks that are formed in layer, they have the tendency to, because they are made of what? They are made out of the dead organic.
Segments or layer.
Layers are there, but then fossil fuels are also there, no? चलिए, इतना क्लियर हुआ बेटा?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Less than 1 minute is left.
ma'am.
Less than 1 minute is left. So remaining part we will do tomorrow. Right, click class? And
Okay,
convey it to your
Okay,
friends.
ma'am.
Those who are not attending the classes,
Ma'am.
those who are not attending the classes, they will get 0 in the internal marks for the subject that I take. Right? All those who are not attending
Okay,
for a
ma'am.
day or so does not makes any sense. Regularly you need to be there, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye. Have
Okay,
a good
ma'am.
class. Fine.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bachcha. Chaliye. God bless you all. Take care of yourself.